Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create assignment groups in Canvas. Assignment groups are just like the assignment types that you see in Synergy, so that your Canvas will match what you have in Synergy. I highly suggest that you go to Synergy first, go to Gradebook, and Gradebook Setup. Under Gradebook Setup, you will see the assignment types, so that your Canvas will match exactly what you have in Synergy. The advice is to highlight the name of the assignment type. You can right-click to copy and then head back over to Canvas. Within Canvas, on your course navigation panel, click Assignments. Go ahead and click on Group. Then, since we copied the first assignment type from Synergy, all you need to do is right-click to paste, or on your keyboard, if you're using a PC, use Control-V, or on a Mac, use Command-V. I'm just right-clicking to paste. Now, just want to make sure that the weight is also exactly the same. On Synergy, it is weighted 20%, so I'm going to put 20% right here and hit Save. So I'm just going to repeat the process. When you're finished, just check to see if all of the percentages add up to 100. Now you're ready to create your assignments.